Hello everyone, welcome to AI and More, where we turn AI tools into real creative power. It's yet another tutorial. Most people think ChatGPT is only for typing and for only text. Today we're going to be looking at that powerful feature everyone is missing, and we're going to be looking at how ChatGPT can generate images. Without wasting time, let's dive into action. First of all, open ChatGPT. You can use your favorite browser. After opening, you can type a prompt like, let's say, generate a cinematic image of a lion wearing a golden crown in a palace. Okay, a lion. And you can press enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT is creating an image. Wow. And that is our image. Now you can do your edits here. You can press edit, and you can describe your edits here. What do you want to change in the image? You can also use other styles like animation, lifestyle image, cover art, and something like that. Actually, ChatGPT can generate images more than even other image generating AI tools. So this is really impressive, and it is really a good art of work. Some of the tips you have to use when you're generating images: one, you have to be real descriptive. Use words like cinematic, okay, talk about lighting, talk about the mood, the style, like everything you want to be in the image. That's how ChatGPT will be able to create your powerful and perfect image. This is really so impressive. Now, if you knew that ChatGPT is only for text, now you know it can do much more. Thank you. Let's meet in another tutorial. See you then. Bye bye.